Hi everyone and welcome to this new video, which is going to be a bit different than the usual videos we upload on this channel because we're going to talk about the future, about what we're going to do next, about our new plans, etc. And there will be a few questions for you that we hope you can reply to in the comment section below. So please keep watching the video, and if you want to help us further, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. As I'm sure you know, our business is mainly focused on helping musicians develop great ear training skills. But of course, we are musicians and we have other interests than ear training. I don't think there are musicians on the planet that practice ear training just for the sake of developing great ear training skills and nothing else. Because having great ear training skills is a tool that then significantly helps us accomplish other goals, performing other activities in a much better and deeper and more intuitive way. So the point of what I'm saying is the goal of ear training is to help musicians develop skills that then can help them do other things, such as songwriting, so writing better songs, writing songs faster, writing better melodies, better chord progressions, be more creative, or develop their improvisation skills, or being able to transcribe music more efficiently. So these are all areas in which ear training is extremely important. And we would like to help musicians also in these other areas. Help musicians really develop all the skills that are necessary for excelling in these other areas, which is not only ear training. Said that it's a very important skill. It's not the only skill that is needed to be a great songwriter, to be a great improviser, to be a great composer, or whatever. So our plan for this YouTube channel is to start creating content around these other topics too. So of course, ear training will still remain a big topic for us, and we'll keep creating content around the topic of ear training, obviously, but it's not going to be the only type of content that we're going to create. So this video is just to let you know that we're going to expand our areas of interest, and hopefully this new content will help you in a more substantial way. But another very important reason why I'm making this video is that we are very interested in knowing more about you, in listening what are your struggles, what are your issues, especially in the topic of songwriting. We know that a lot of our subscribers are interested in songwriting. If you're a songwriter who is experiencing issues of whatever kind, please let us know about them by writing in the comment section below. No matter your level, maybe you just started, maybe you have years of expertise, we'll make sure to review and reply to all your comments, and hopefully that will be enough to solve or at least improve the situation. But if we see that there are several people that are experiencing a similar issue, we will for sure create some content around it so that hopefully we will be able to help you. The last thing that we would be really interested to know is what issues are you experiencing, what struggles are you facing in ear training. So please let us know about them by writing in the comment section below. So ultimately, it's important for us to start having a more open, bi-directional discussion where you can also ask us about things that are bugging you, that you're struggling with, because it's very likely that the problems you're experiencing are also problems we had to face or we are currently facing. More specifically, we might be able to help you the most in areas like songwriting, ear training, music production, because these are the areas in which we are the most expert in. So to wrap up the video, expect more content from us on other subjects than ear training, but we will still keep working on ear training and keep creating content around that topic too, because we know very well how important ear training skills are, no matter what you're trying to accomplish in music. Lastly, before ending this video, I just want to remind you that if you're interested in ear training, we have a free workshop. It's a 3-hour-long workshop full of actionable content and proven exercises that you won't find anywhere else, and that are going to help you understand your current level in your training and how to move forward depending on your situation. So what exercises to practice, what exercises to avoid, etc. It's totally free for now. Make sure to check it out. You will find the link in the description section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like to this video, to subscribe to the channel, and to take a look at our website where you will find our ear training course. Again, you will find all the relevant links in the description section below. That being said, it's all for this video. I thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.